Hi friends, in this video we are going to see ln 2 series. Okay, before that we have to know ln of x plus 1 series. Okay, but for finding ln of x plus 1 series we have to use Taylor series method. Taylor series method we are going to use. This method is very useful to bring infinite series for a given functions. Okay, so Taylor series means they will provide a function like I will explain now. Let us consider a graph xy. Y is function of x. They will provide some initial values. Let us consider x0. For x0 they will give some y0 values. Okay, and they will also give derivative of y. So then they will ask for x1 y1. After giving x0 y0 and derivative of function and x1, they will ask y1 values. The difference between x1 minus x0 is nothing but step size. H equal x1 minus x0. In general we can write x minus x0. So these things we will use in the Taylor series method, but in general Taylor series method can be written as y of n plus 1 equal yn plus h into yn prime upon 1 factorial plus h square yn double prime 2 factorial plus h power 3 yn triple prime upon 3 factorial. Like that it will goes. So this is our Taylor series formula. So we have to use this function ln of x plus 1 now, but here we have initial values x0 y0 values. In place of x0 we have to put 0, because for bringing infinite series of ln of x plus 1 the condition is x0 should be 0 here. So put here x0 to be 0, we will get ln 1. Ln 1 will become 0. So here we want, in place of n you put 0 here. So because for n means previous value, n plus 1 means next value. Okay, so if you want 1 values, which means if you put 0 here, y1 will come. So here 0 0 0 0 will come, which means for finding next values we are going to use previous values. So y1 will come. Y1 equal y0 plus h into y0 prime by 1 factorial plus h square y0 triple double prime divided by 2 factorial plus h power 3 y0 triple prime divided by 3 factorial plus it will goes like that. So in general this one is yn. So if I put 0 here, this is also yn xn, so it will become 0. So y0 equal ln of x0 plus 1, so ln 1 will be 0. So we have to differentiate this one. So y0 prime will come 1 divided by 1 plus x0. y0 double prime will come minus 1 divided by 1 plus x0 the whole square. y0 triple prime will come 2 divided by 1 plus x0 whole power 3. If we continue like that, y0 fourth derivative will come minus 6 divided by 1 plus x0 whole power 4. So substitute x0 to be 0. So y0 prime will come 1, y0 double prime will come minus 1. I will write here y0 prime will come 1, y naught double prime will come minus 1 and y naught triple prime will come plus 2. Fourth derivative will come minus 6. So substitute all those values here. Here. So I will write. So substitute here. Our y naught is 0. As we know already, h equal x minus x naught. So x naught will become 0, which means x of n plus 1 minus xn. If we put n equal to 0, x1 minus x naught will come. In general, x1 can be written as x minus x naught. That is why 0. If x naught becomes 0, h equal to x will come. So x into y naught prime will be 1. So by 1 factorial plus x square y naught double prime will come minus 1 divided by 2 factorial plus x power 3 y naught triple prime will come plus 2 divided by 3 factorial x power 4 y naught the fourth derivative will come minus 6 by 4 factorial. Like that it will goes. If we see closely, x minus x square divided by 2, we know 2 factorial will come 2. Here x power 3 factorial will be 6. So 2 divided by 6 will come 3. Here minus x power 4 factorial will come 6 into 4, 24. So 6 will be cancelled. Generally 4 will come. 4. Like that it will goes. If you continue next steps also, 5 will come minus x power 6 divided by 6. Like that it will goes. This is our ln of x plus 1 series. So we want ln 2 value, which means we have to put in place of x by 1. If we replace x by 1, 1 plus 1 will come 2 equal here 1 minus 1 by 2 will come plus 1 by 3 will come minus 1 by 4 will come plus 1 by 5 will come minus 1 by 6 will come. Like that it continues. So here we used Taylor series method to bring infinite series of ln of x plus 1. Using ln of x plus 1, we have found ln to infinite series. Okay friends, if you like this video, please share and comment this video if you have any doubt. Subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.